Welcome to our guide on business liability insurance for small businesses. In today's fast-paced world, protecting your business from unexpected risks is crucial. Liability insurance acts as a safety net, shielding your company from financial losses due to lawsuits or claims. Whether you're just starting out or have been running your business for years, understanding how liability insurance works can help you make informed decisions. Let's explore what liability insurance is, why it matters, and how it can safeguard your small business from potential threats. We'll break down the basics, discuss coverage options, and walk through real-life scenarios to illustrate its importance. Liability insurance is a type of coverage designed to protect businesses from claims involving injuries, property damage, or negligence. If someone sues your business for damages, liability insurance can cover legal fees, settlements, and medical expenses. This insurance is essential for small businesses because it helps manage risks that could otherwise lead to significant financial strain. By having liability insurance, you're not just protecting your assets, you're also ensuring the continuity of your operations. Understanding the basics of liability insurance is the first step toward building a resilient business. There are several types of liability insurance available to small businesses. The most common include general liability insurance, professional liability insurance, and product liability insurance. General liability covers bodily injury and property damage claims. Professional liability, also known as errors and omissions insurance, protects against claims of negligence or mistakes in professional services. Product liability covers damages caused by products your business sells or manufactures. Choosing the right type depends on your industry, business size, and specific risks you face. General liability insurance is the foundation for most small businesses. It covers claims related to bodily injury, property damage, and advertising injury. For example, if a customer slips and falls in your store, general liability insurance can cover their medical costs and any legal fees if they decide to sue. This coverage is broad and applies to many situations, making it a must-have for businesses that interact with the public or operate physical locations. It's often the first policy recommended for new business owners. Professional liability insurance is crucial for businesses that provide services or advice. Also known as errors and omissions insurance, it protects your business from claims of negligence, mistakes, or failure to deliver services as promised. For instance, if a client alleges that your advice caused them financial loss, this insurance can cover legal costs and settlements. It's especially important for consultants, accountants, and other professionals whose work directly impacts clients. Having professional liability insurance demonstrates your commitment to accountability and quality. Product liability insurance is designed for businesses that manufacture, distribute, or sell products. If a product you sell causes injury or property damage, this insurance can cover the associated costs. For example, if a customer is injured by a defective item, product liability insurance can pay for medical expenses and legal fees. This coverage is vital for retailers, manufacturers, and wholesalers. It helps protect your business reputation and ensures you can handle claims without jeopardizing your financial stability. Small businesses are often more vulnerable to lawsuits and claims than larger companies. Without liability insurance, a single incident could lead to overwhelming legal costs and even bankruptcy. Liability insurance provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on growing your business instead of worrying about potential risks. It's not just about compliance, it's about protecting your livelihood and ensuring your business can survive unexpected challenges. Investing in liability insurance is a proactive step toward long-term success. Depending on your location and industry, liability insurance may be legally required. Some states or municipalities mandate certain types of coverage, especially if you have employees or operate in high-risk sectors. Failing to comply with these requirements can result in fines, penalties, or even business closure. It's important to research local regulations and ensure your business meets all legal obligations. Consulting with an insurance professional can help you navigate these requirements and avoid costly mistakes. Liability insurance coverage works by paying for costs associated with covered claims. When an incident occurs, you file a claim with your insurer. The insurance company investigates the claim and, if it's valid, pays for legal fees, settlements, or medical expenses up to your policy limits. It's important to understand what your policy covers and any exclusions that may apply. Knowing how coverage works helps you respond quickly and effectively when issues arise. Every liability insurance policy has limits, which define the maximum amount the insurer will pay for a claim. There are typically two types: per occurrence limits and aggregate limits. Per occurrence limits apply to individual incidents, while aggregate limits cap the total payout over the policy period. Choosing appropriate limits is crucial. Too low, and you may be left with uncovered expenses. Too high, and you might pay unnecessary premiums. Assess your business risks and consult with your insurer to determine the right balance. The cost of liability insurance, known as the premium, varies based on several factors. These include your industry, business size, location, and claims history. Higher-risk businesses typically pay more for coverage. Premiums can be paid monthly or annually, and it's important to budget for this expense as part of your overall business plan. Comparing quotes from different insurers can help you find the best value without sacrificing protection. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. Choosing a higher deductible can lower your premium, but it also means you'll pay more if a claim arises. It's important to weigh the pros and cons and select a deductible that fits your business's financial situation. Understanding deductibles helps you manage costs and avoid surprises when filing a claim. Liability insurance policies often include exclusions, situations, or risks that are not covered. Common exclusions include intentional acts, employee injuries, and certain types of professional errors. It's vital to read your policy carefully and understand what is and isn't covered. If your business faces unique risks, you may need additional coverage or endorsements. Being aware of exclusions helps you avoid gaps in protection and ensures you're fully prepared for potential claims. When an incident occurs, the claims process begins. First, you notify your insurer and provide details about the event. The insurance company investigates, gathers evidence, and determines if the claim is covered. If approved, the insurer pays for legal fees, settlements, or medical costs. It's important to document everything and cooperate with your insurer to ensure a smooth process. Understanding the claims process helps you respond quickly and minimize disruptions to your business. Imagine a customer slips and falls in your store, sustaining an injury. Without liability insurance, you could be responsible for medical expenses and legal fees. With coverage, your insurer handles the claim, pays for costs, and helps you navigate the legal process. This real-life scenario highlights the importance of liability insurance in protecting your business from everyday risks. It's a reminder that accidents can happen anytime, and being prepared is key. Consider a consultant who gives advice that leads to a client's financial loss. The client sues for damages, and without professional liability insurance, the consultant faces costly legal battles. With insurance, the claim is managed, legal fees are covered, and the consultant can focus on their work. This example demonstrates how liability insurance protects service-based businesses from the consequences of mistakes or misunderstandings. A customer buys a product from your store, but it turns out to be defective and causes injury. Product liability insurance covers the medical costs and legal fees, preventing financial strain on your business. This scenario illustrates the importance of having the right coverage for product-related risks. It's essential for businesses that sell or manufacture goods to protect themselves from unforeseen issues. Selecting the right liability insurance policy involves assessing your business's risks, industry requirements, and budget. It's important to work with an experienced insurance agent who can help you identify the coverage you need. Comparing policies, understanding terms, and asking questions are key steps in making an informed decision. The right policy provides comprehensive protection and peace of mind, allowing you to focus on running your business. Insurance agents are valuable partners in finding the right coverage for your business. They can explain policy options, answer questions, and help you navigate the application process. Building a relationship with a trusted agent ensures you have expert guidance when making decisions about liability insurance. Agents can also assist with claims and policy updates as your business grows and changes. Liability insurance policies typically require annual renewal. During this process, you can review your coverage, update information, and make changes as needed. If your business expands, adds new services, or faces new risks, updating your policy ensures continued protection. Staying proactive with renewals and updates helps you avoid gaps in coverage and keeps your business secure. Beyond basic liability insurance, there are additional coverage options to consider. These include cyber liability, employment practices liability, and directors and officers liability. Cyber liability protects against data breaches and cyber attacks. Employment practices liability covers claims related to employee discrimination or wrongful termination. Directors and officers liability protects business leaders from personal liability. Exploring these options can provide extra security for your business. Cyber liability insurance is increasingly important for small businesses. It covers costs related to data breaches, cyber attacks, and loss of sensitive information. With more businesses relying on technology, the risk of cyber incidents is higher than ever. Cyber liability insurance helps you recover from attacks, pay for legal fees, and restore your reputation. It's a smart addition to your overall risk management strategy. Employment practices liability insurance protects your business from claims related to employee discrimination, harassment, or wrongful termination. These claims can be costly and damaging to your reputation. Having coverage ensures you can handle legal fees and settlements without jeopardizing your business. It's especially important for businesses with multiple employees or those in regulated industries. Directors and officers liability insurance protects business leaders from personal liability for decisions made on behalf of the company. If a lawsuit arises from management actions, this coverage pays for legal fees and settlements. It's important for businesses with a board of directors or executive team. Directors and officers liability ensures leaders can make decisions confidently, knowing they're protected. Umbrella liability insurance provides extra coverage beyond your standard policies. It kicks in when your primary liability limits are exhausted, offering additional protection against large claims. This is useful for businesses facing higher risks or those wanting extra peace of mind. Umbrella policies can cover a variety of situations, including lawsuits, accidents, and property damage. Risk assessment is a critical step in choosing liability insurance. Identify potential hazards, evaluate the likelihood of incidents, and estimate possible costs. Consider your industry, customer interactions, and business operations. A thorough risk assessment helps you select appropriate coverage and avoid underinsurance. It's a proactive way to protect your business and ensure long-term stability. Different industries face unique risks and may require specialized liability insurance. For example, construction businesses need coverage for workplace accidents, while restaurants need protection against foodborne illnesses. Tailoring your policy to your industry ensures you're covered for the most relevant risks. Consult with your insurer to identify industry-specific options and endorsements. Liability insurance does not cover employee injuries. Instead, workers' compensation insurance is required for this purpose. Workers' comp pays for medical expenses and lost wages if an employee is injured on the job. It's legally mandated in most states and is separate from liability insurance. Understanding the difference helps you ensure comprehensive protection for your business and employees. Filing a liability insurance claim involves several steps. First, document the incident thoroughly, including photos and witness statements. Notify your insurer as soon as possible and provide all relevant information. Cooperate with the investigation and keep records of communications. Prompt and accurate reporting helps ensure your claim is processed efficiently and increases the likelihood of approval. Sometimes, claims are disputed or denied by insurers. If this happens, review your policy, gather additional evidence, and appeal the decision if necessary. Working with your insurance agent can help resolve issues and clarify coverage. Understanding your rights and responsibilities ensures you're prepared to handle disputes and protect your business interests. Keeping accurate records is essential for managing liability insurance. Maintain documentation of incidents, claims, and communications with your insurer. Good record keeping helps you track coverage, monitor claims history, and provide evidence if disputes arise. It also supports compliance with legal and regulatory requirements. Organized records make the insurance process smoother and more efficient. Regularly reviewing your liability insurance policy ensures it continues to meet your business needs. Schedule annual reviews with your insurance agent, update information, and adjust coverage as necessary. Changes in your business, such as expansion or new services, may require policy updates. Staying proactive helps you avoid gaps and maintain optimal protection. Avoiding common mistakes can help you get the most from your liability insurance. Don't underestimate your risks or choose inadequate coverage. Failing to read your policy or neglecting regular reviews can lead to gaps in protection. Work closely with your insurer, ask questions, and stay informed. Taking these steps ensures your business is properly protected and prepared for unexpected events. Liability insurance offers numerous benefits for small businesses. It protects against financial losses, supports business continuity, and enhances your reputation with clients and partners. Having coverage demonstrates professionalism and responsibility. It also provides peace of mind, allowing you to focus on growth and innovation. Investing in liability insurance is a smart move for any small business owner. Operating without liability insurance exposes your business to significant risks. Legal claims, accidents, or mistakes can lead to costly lawsuits and financial ruin. Without coverage, you may be forced to pay out of pocket, risking your assets and business future. Liability insurance is a critical safeguard that helps you manage risks and avoid devastating consequences. Insurers assess liability claims by reviewing incident details, gathering evidence, and evaluating policy coverage. They may interview witnesses, inspect property, and consult experts. The goal is to determine if the claim is valid and covered by your policy. Understanding how insurers assess claims helps you prepare documentation and cooperate effectively during the process. Legal counsel plays a vital role in liability insurance claims. Attorneys can help you understand your rights, negotiate settlements, and represent your interests in court. Having access to legal support ensures you're prepared for complex cases and can protect your business effectively. Many liability policies include coverage for legal fees, making it easier to secure professional representation. Liability insurance supports business growth by providing stability and confidence. With coverage in place, you can pursue new opportunities, expand operations, and take calculated risks. Clients and partners are more likely to trust businesses that demonstrate responsibility and professionalism. Insurance is not just a safety net, it's a foundation for sustainable growth and success. Having liability insurance enhances your business reputation. Clients, partners, and investors view insured businesses as reliable and trustworthy. It demonstrates your commitment to responsibility and risk management. A strong reputation attracts new customers and supports long-term success. Liability insurance is an investment in your business's image and credibility. Home-based businesses also need liability insurance. Even if you operate from your residence, you face risks such as client injuries or property damage. Standard homeowners insurance may not cover business-related incidents. Liability insurance tailored for home-based businesses ensures you're protected and compliant with regulations. It's a critical step for entrepreneurs working from home. Online businesses face unique risks, including cyber attacks, data breaches, and intellectual property disputes. Liability insurance for online operations covers these threats and ensures you can handle claims efficiently. As e-commerce grows, protecting your digital assets and reputation is more important than ever. Specialized policies help online businesses thrive in a competitive environment. Startups often operate in fast-changing environments and face unpredictable risks. Liability insurance provides a foundation for growth, allowing startups to innovate and scale confidently. It covers legal claims, accidents, and mistakes, supporting business continuity. Investing in insurance early helps startups attract investors and partners, demonstrating professionalism and preparedness. As your business grows, your insurance needs may change. Expanding operations, hiring employees, or entering new markets can introduce new risks. Regularly reviewing and updating your liability insurance ensures continued protection. Growth is exciting, but it's important to stay proactive and adjust your coverage to match your evolving business. Business liability insurance is a vital tool for small businesses. It protects against financial losses, supports business continuity, and enhances your reputation. Understanding coverage options, policy limits, and the claims process helps you make informed decisions. Regular reviews and proactive management ensure your business stays protected as it grows. Investing in liability insurance is a smart move for any entrepreneur. Liability insurance is more than just a policy. It's a foundation for your business's security and success. By understanding how it works and staying proactive, you can protect your assets, reputation, and future. Whether you're a startup, home-based business, or established company, liability insurance is a critical investment. Take the time to assess your needs, consult with professionals, and ensure your business is prepared for whatever comes its way.